Well, it's like 0 out today. I went out into the shop and the skunk's back. I think he's going to hold up in there for a while, probably all through winter. Um, Josh, if you're watching, you got any hints? Um, well, I guess we're going to go down and put up a trail cam or something. I picked it up a few days ago. See what was on it. Still haven't even checked those pictures. I changed the batteries out. We need to put it back up. I seen a new spot to put it. I figured I'd take you along and put it back up. I'm going to put it in a new location, a lot closer to the house. Actually, it's down by the old barn. I seen a new trail that they cut in the last 6 months or so. Figure we'll see what's on it. That's one of the good things about the snow. It's a lot easier to pick out the trails. Looks like we got to tag along, of course. Tennessee's along for the hike. Got some rabbit tracks. Cat. There's the trail I noticed. I think those are coyotes. But let's see what comes up and down that trail. over here by the old barn. There's a lot of cat tracks coming from the barn. Apparently there's one living in there. And go over here, there's another trail.